We are Visenius, your number one destination to enter into the world of investment banking. Welcome to the third module of the investment banking course. In this module, we will look at valuation of companies. But why choose us? We offer live sessions taught by experienced investment bankers without taking a toll on your wallet. Avail free refreshers for 1 year along with placement assistance with our Faculty Connect. Before taking over a company or even investing in one, or before lending to a company by a bank, it is necessary to find the value of that company to make an informed decision. This is called valuation. Along with valuation, some of the important topics covered in this module are natures of transaction and forms of payment, different valuation methods like discounted cash flow, precedent transaction analysis, and more. We make you deal ready. So what are you waiting for? Check out our bundles and modules on www.visenius.com.